Welcome back to our channel. 2020, here we come.
Yeah, we know we took a long break, but it's time to get back into the groove. Give you guys something to, get entertained with. Put something on while you're doing your makeup or whatnot.
But yeah, right now I think we're off to
eat first of all.
Eat and then and then I was thinking maybe like we could do like a little like playlist in the car with the Abeja Sisters. I don't know if you like that idea. So yeah, that's what we're up to as of right now. So just keep on watching and just don't forget to.
Oh, you guys featured. You guys get an inside tour of my new car. You know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. No more. But
don't forget to what, girl.
Girl, don't forget to like, comment, share, and obviously the most important one, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want us to do. Any fun ideas that you guys want us to try. I mean, pretty much just ask and we
will do it for you guys.
We will do it. Ask and you shall receive. So,
all right,
let's get on the road.
Yes, because it's hot in here. Bye.
Oh my god.
Like I'm not married, babe.
Fucking beeping at me.
The fuck? Please. That's what I'm saying. You suck at driving. Somebody's beeping at you.
I don't know why the fuck they're beeping at me for, and I don't know why the fuck you told me to drive.
Because I don't drive all the way to Sushi Mocorito. I mean, I should because it's my favorite place, but anyways, just to keep her off that, no, I want it now. This is one of the songs that me and Liz like. We listen to this all the time. But I'm gonna have it low because copyright, right?
I mean, I doubt you're gonna be able to hear it over
the loud ass fucking car you got. That yeah, that too. Yeah, Liz got a Dodge. She got a Dodge, and she's freaking loud, and she don't know how to drive either. What's up, people? That's what that one.
I'll have you know that a lot of people actually feel safe around me, but you and your pendejada.
Just because I brake a lot doesn't mean anything.
You know what you do? You do this shit where like the car is right in front of us, and you're like, that's
wait.
shit.
It is what it is.
It's not.
You go into my car knowing all of this, and you still let me drive. So
because you don't give us an option.
Exactly. Whoever car we're in, that person's driving.
Yeah.
When you're dating a toxica, you're dating a toxica. What can I say? You get no choice. Point blank. Period. We're not even listening to the song, homie.
Because you tell me I'm a bad driver when you should put a mirror on yourself.
Fumando de la verde, un plan de Jolly Rancher galletas. I think. Oh yeah. Sorry. Can you put a song? Can you put me on with a song?
Dude, all these hopefuls going slow.
Right? Everyone's going slow. Oh yeah, guys. If you guys didn't notice, I dyed my hair. I don't know, I just wanted to point it out there. I dyed my hair brown, red. It looks red from the top, and then like brown, and then like highlights, kind of. I don't know, it's weird, but I like it. I broke out like hella during like those 2 months or something like that. No, it was like a month though. Yeah, like I went through it. I think it was school. It was like finishing school, and then like I felt like I wasn't gonna pass the class, and I was gonna have to come back to school, and I was like, oh hell no, I don't want to come back to school. Like fuck that shit. So then yeah, it was hard. I was stressed. El amor no fue pa' mí. Dame el pisto y los corridos. What?
This trailer.
I don't do freeways, guys. Just kidding. I do freeways, but like I stay in one lane most of the time. I'm still learning or whatever. Yeah, I'm still learning or whatever. I have to scream. Just saying. like, it's not all that.
It's not all that. No, like, no. I mean, I
Like, you're officially gonna be able to go to bars and drink at least. So, like, if you're bored, you don't have to just stay home and like drink at home, you know. I mean, not that you drink at home or anything, but
like I have options. But
yeah.
who knows? I mean, no soy alcohólica ni nada.
No,
Not at all.
Pura agua bendita.
Remember when we said we were gonna start looking for the dresses like in
Oh yeah.
like that?
Yes. Dresses for Alondro's quinceañera in Sinaloa.
Quinceañera.
Quinceañera. My bad. Quinceañera.
What? I'm not tripping, dude. Like 3 people have honked at me. And
3?
Yeah. Cause there was.
I only counted 1. Well, 2 now with that one.
Why? No haya sido que se me haya caído una luz.
Yeah, cause like, oh maybe.
But why? How?
Well, I don't know. A lo mejor no te esté sirviendo una luz or something. I don't know.
Or somebody put a sticker on my thing. Honk if you. Blah, 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 blah. Why? Why?
Why? Because you suck at driving. Ow! Fuck!
Stupida.
Stupida. Well, I mean, I feel like you've been doing good so far, but. So, okay, guys, let me say this. So, right now, we was driving.
You know what?
And we were in our neighborhood.
You better not.
No.
You better not, because I swear you're the one that's always freaking brake checking us like at every stop. At every stop.
You almost ran into the keep left.
But I did. Did I? I didn't.
If I said, watch out, keep left, you would have been like, and it would have been like, keep straight. Not keep left, keep straight. Or let's go crash quinceañera, Imperio. I mean.
Or una llanta está ponchada. No, because then I wouldn't be able to go right.
No, yeah. You wouldn't be able to like, inside, bro.
I'm out here like tripping. Let's stop in the middle.
Stop in the middle of the road, bro. Let's go check it out.
Let's go check it out and see what. Or maybe it's people that want this car but can't.
They're like, hey, I want that car. I mean, that's kind of weird. Like, hey, what's up? That's cool. Like, then that guy would just brake check himself.
Do that to yourself, Nico?
I don't brake check myself. I brake check people that are in the car just to check that they're sitting buckled up. But that's about it.
No jodas. Something is wrong with my car then.
Uh-huh. Oh my god, we're here my favorite freaking place. Sushi Macarito. Oh, did I hit you?
No, honestly, you did.
I'm so sorry.
Con el madre esa del
Oh, ¿qué tenías ahí o qué?
la rodilla.
Oh.
Me ahorita you check it out, look, so you can see what's lying.
¿Eh?
Ahorita you wanna check it out, porque so you can see what's lying. Look, la rodilla right here.
Fucking hell!
I got
Yeah,
I knew your ass.
Babe, what did the poster say, dude? What did the poster say?
You fucking hell!
Did I get you though? Did I get you? First prank of 2020 and I'm going hard on you. I'm going hard on your ass.
The revenge is coming. The revenge is fucking coming.
Did you see that? What did you think, straight up? Well, guys, I couldn't record because the camera was dead, like I said, but like I even put YouTube the Abeja Sisters and I put Honk to get my sister mad. And you know what? I've been thinking of this prank since like 2019, like a decade ago. A decade ago, but like, yeah, I mean, I never like got the institute. I never got like the time to do it. And right now it's like, you know what? We haven't posted a video, and I want to post a video, so here we go. But did I get you or no?
I'll admit you got
That was
me.
like 4 times.
So I mean, would have felt because it was 4 times, but like at least 4 people. That's like my 4 people. I didn't count 3. I counted like 3 right now, but they say counted 4.
Yeah, I think 4.
It's like 4.
Yeah. And then when I told you to turn that down because one passing it did the same thing too, but you didn't hear it.
So it was probably more than that, but I wasn't listening. I was listening to music, but
You know, I could have gotten pulled over for that shit for not showing my license plate.
it was showing your license plate, homegirl. It was showing this. It was nomás eso estaba tapado.
Oh.
So I'm not gonna show you her license plate, but this was tapado with este.
Shows
the license plate. But all right, yeah. So
all right, well, you got me, but I'm coming back with something stronger. Ho.
whatever, you stay mad because I got your ass. All right, anyways, we're gonna go eat. Maybe we'll continue this video, but if we don't, then
All right, you guys know that I don't like getting honked at, so
that's that.
that's that.
Damn.
And that's the tea on that.
Oh my god, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Okay. Well, continue this later. Bye.